Martial arts, to me, is yoga in action. It is meditation in motion, the mantra to good living. These short demos are to showcase the principles of self-defense, which I have discussed in my earlier episodes. Today's demo mainly is focused on balance, internal stability, lightness, seeing and sensing with body, and accuracy. It's about being in balance irrespective of what you're doing. If you watch the demo carefully, you'll notice many of these principles in action. It is self-explanatory. It is most important to be one with all the principles in every application, irrespective of what it is. Tranquil mind, de-stressed body, focus, accuracy, speed, timing, judgment, balance, stability, internal control, sensing and seeing with the body, confidence in the face of aggression are some of the key takeaways from good training. A necessity for every professional who wants to reach the top in his or her field. To me, martial arts training is just a journey, the destination being the journey itself. A quick description of the demo. First, to cut the apple on the run is to sense and see with the body. Second, to jump on loosely arranged sticks, totally another surface with sword in hand, in action requires mind-body harmony and balance. Third, to cut an apple while sliding requires total awareness and being instinctive.